Everybody, this is Andrew at Design Points. Just wanted to share with you guys one of the latest parts I've been working on. So check this out. This is a Design Point bottle opener. What's cool about this part is that it has a 3D printed metal part off of our Metal X embedded into the part. So if you look here, you can see that it's fully encapsulated. And the way you do that is you put a cavity in your CAD model, and then in the software, in Eiger, you put a pause after that layer. So the machine will pause. You simply walk up, drop in your inserts. In this case, it's a bottle opener, but I've seen people use magnets and computer chips and even steel bars and all kinds of stuff. I mean, anything you can think of, you can embed into these parts. And then you hit resume on the printer, and it keeps printing, and it prints over the top of the part you've embedded. The only mistake I made on this is I put a Design Point logo on the bottle opener, but I put it raised. I was actually copying the Mark Forge bottle opener keychain, so I was trying to make it look like that. And what happens is when you're embedding a part into another part, you can't have the part that you're embedding be over the printing surface. So I put it in there, hit resume, printhead came back, the nozzle touched that logo that was sticking up right there, and it caused a dislocation. So I actually had to put it in backwards, which is why it's got the logo on this side and Design Point on this side. But in the future versions, I'm going to make this an indented logo instead of an outdented logo. That should solve that problem. So, thanks for watching. I'd love to see what you guys are printing. Please post, share this, the group with everyone, like it. If you know anybody who's a Mark Forge composite owner, operator, we'd love to have them on here and see what they're doing. Thanks, guys. Have a happy 4th of July. Talk to you later.